Hi everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 to I Let My Dog Choose My Makeup today. I can't get it all into one video, I just don't have that technology with me right now. I could have done that with my phone, I think, but I'm not sure how long my battery had left in it, and I was afraid it was going to die like mid-video, and I didn't want to have to worry about that. But anyways, so, welcome back everyone, I'm excited to have you. Sorry, I was just reading something here real quick. Anyways, welcome back. I'm excited to have everyone here. And anyways, let's just go ahead and get started. She chose like a whole bunch of goodies for me to try on, so let's just go ahead and get started. I'm excited for this. This is fun. Apparently this has been around for like a long time, and I'm just not up with the times apparently, so I did not know because I'm relatively new to YouTube. But anyways, so first things first, for a primer, she did not choose that. She chose e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. And thank you, Chi-Chi, because I got a nice blemish right here starting, so I appreciate that so much. And what I'm going to do is just take out my sponge here. Maybe. There we go. And go with that first. It's like she knew I had a blemish and she's like, a girl, I got you. And then you just want to put this on. Like so. That was a lot on one side. For those of you that don't know, primer just primes your face for makeup. Alright, so there's that, and she did not choose this, but I always use this. Now I'm just gonna kind of throw it in. It is Maybelline's New York Dream BB Pure 8-in-1 Beauty Bomb Skin Clearing Perfector. And the only reason I'm adding this is just because I got this right here, and so I kind of want to treat that as much as possible before it becomes a bigger problem. So she did not choose this, but, you know. I'm just gonna blot this on, I guess is what it'd be, or dabbing it on. And then little circles help too. Always want to pat underneath your eye. You don't want to ever stretch that underneath your skin. Or excuse me, underneath your eye, because that's just so sensitive right there. You don't want to cause wrinkles and lines too early. And then, of course, you want to go down and add some to your neck, because you don't want your neck and your face to be two different colors. Although this does blend in with my skin very, very well. It's not a foundation or anything. It's just, it kind of just helps with your skin, I guess, but I like using it as a foundation. I haven't really found a foundation that I'm super in love with, and that's just me, though. Holding my braid here. Had to tell myself I got a new book today. Actually, I got a couple. But I had to tell myself to put it down so I could make this video. I was just getting really engrossed in it. I'm already on chapter 5 or 6. And I'm like, Becky, you need to do a video. So now what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and we are going to bronze today. And Chi-Chi picked Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer. This is really cute because it looks like a pie with a little nice mirror in there. Let me get my brush here. And for that, I'm just using my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Swirl around in there like so. Get it all nice and ready. And then we're just gonna do something. Just like so. And then I'll just do just the tiniest bit here. Just like that. And that's pretty much it when it comes to bronzing. I've heard people bronzing their nose. I've also heard people putting blush on their nose, which I think is very interesting. I will occasionally contour my nose and then put it highlight like down the middle. But you can do what you want. Now today for a, let's see here, I lost where I was here. There you go. So now for today for a highlighter, she chose Too Faced Let It Snow Girl highlighting palette. I strictly used this for her just for like the highlighter itself. I had a second Chocolate Souffle bronzer laid out for her too, which is also this right here. But she went for a different bronzer, but I wanted to leave this out strictly for the highlighter, so that's where that came in. But anyway, she chose Too Faced Let It Snow Girl Limited Holiday Collection Angel Wings. And that's kind of this highlighter right here. Which is completely fine. I wanted to give her options, but I didn't want to like overwhelm her with everything. So then I'm going to use real techniques. And for that, we're just going to do right there. There we go. Because we want Google Maps to be able to find us. I'm going to go over from this side. Like so. We're going to do some just down our nose. Cupid's bow. Just like that, and just for the addedness to it, I'm going to put just the teeniest bit right above my eyebrow here. And just a little bit right here. Like so. I love this highlighter so much. And then the bronzer in here smells really good too. Just like chocolate souffle. Really good. So that was that. And of course now you gotta go in with your blush. And she chose the LA Color blush. And for that, I am just using my Expert Face brush, just because like my blush brush I feel like is huge and it gets everywhere, so for right now I'm using this today. I don't know if I've actually used this. Maybe I've used it like once. Well, I'll fall out with that. But can't see it too well on camera, but I can promise you it's there. Like so. And just to check on that, I am going to look at my little mirror that I got in my advent calendar a couple videos ago. Yeah, she's there alright. She is there. I'm just blending that a little bit better, like so. Alright, now we are going to be moving in. I have a patch right there of dry skin. My goodness. Anyway, now we're going to be going in with, let's go ahead and do our mascara she chose. She chose the Rimmel London Scandalous Eyes Extreme Volume and Length Mascara. This is an extreme black, by the way, but that's what that looks like. I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't use this that terribly often, so I don't even remember how good it is, or if it's even good at all. So we shall find out. Yes, bad by any means. I guess I don't know why I don't use this. I usually gravitate towards my Better Than Sex mascara, which is my current favorite. But this isn't bad. I never worry about the bottom of my lashes just because there's barely anything there. I mean, they're there, they're just barely there, if that makes any sense. So we just don't worry about those too terribly often. So there's that. And then she didn't choose this just because I only have one eyeshadow primer that I'm using currently before I go ahead and open up new packages of either eye primer that I have. I wanted to use this. This is Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. But I only wanted to use this one for right now just because I don't want to open up any brand new ones. So that is just me. But this is a nice eyeshadow primer. So there's that. There's that. I like to take my fingers and just kind of rub it in, just to make sure that blends out nicely. Take a second for that, and now she chose for the eyeshadow. This came in a e.l.f. bundle. It was like their, I believe, holiday candy cane collection, but this came in like a 3-pack along with an eyebrow or eyeshadow brush. Excuse me, I can't talk tonight. But anyway, she chose this one. Opened it up. And it's kind of like a nice brown matte one side with sparkles on the other side. And I'll totally swatch that for you guys. So there's that. And then for the sparkle, of course. I like this because you can either use the sparkle, there's sparkle by the way. You can either use the sparkle alone, you can use the matte alone, or you can actually just put it on top of each other. And I think what I'm going to do is that tonight and just kind of do like a layered look. I think that'd be pretty. And I only got these 3 out for her because I have so many eyeshadow palettes and I didn't want to overwhelm her with a lot. So that's why this happened. So I'm going to get out my eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. here, kind of fitting the theme. So now, obviously, these did not come with mirrors, so I'm using my little advent calendar mirror again. And now we're just going to go on with this brown first, the matte color. It is a very pretty brown. She kind of went like a neutral, non-dramatic on the eyes, but then like dramatic for the face. So there's that one. Let's go ahead with our other eye now with the brown. And careful to try to make your eyes as even, or eyeshadow I should say, as even as possible. And as you can see, I have a little bit of fallout right here, so I'm definitely going to have to go in and clean that back up. So there's that. I'm just trying to make sure that as even as I can get it. I'm gonna fix that little spot right there. Of course, I shouldn't have done that. Now I brought it up a little bit higher than what I wanted, but that's right. We'll go back and fix that in a little bit. Now with my finger, I am gonna go in and just add the sparkle on top here. The shimmer shade, I guess. You don't have to use your fingers, but that's just kind of what I have available to me right now. Alright, so there's the sparkle added to it. Now we're going to go to our other side. Alright, so then there's the sparkle with that eye as well. And then, just because I can, I am going to go back and clean this up real quickly. But I think we're done with that. Those are really nice, pretty colors, though. Kind of like a little holiday collection. And for my little trick here, I use Q-tips. And what I do is just, I'm going to go a little too over dramatic on the eyes. And about one more time with that. Alright, so there's those. We are done with that. I know some people like to pull it under their eyeshadow, but today I'm just not going to do that. I'm going to keep it simple. Now for the lip. And she chose, this is by e.l.f. Once again, I see a recurring theme. And this is in the shade Parline. And it just looks like that. Matte lip color, by the way. Like that. And then there's that. I hope I'm saying this right. P. Parline? Looks like I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that's just the shade name. Right there. Anyway. Hopefully I don't mess this up too much. Got my little mirror here. So there's that. I need to go in and just fix that just a little bit, but nothing too bad today. This little mirror came in handy. I'm glad I got that. And then you want to go in with your last, but certainly not least, setting spray. I only have one setting spray that I'm currently using as well, and I didn't want to open up another one. So this is Maybelline's New York Lasting Fix makeup setting spray, up to 16-hour wear for a matte finish. There's that. Shake it before you use it. Because you want your makeup to last a while. That is it, guys. That is today's final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know in the comments, and I will definitely do more of them. This was fun. I actually, originally, fun fact, I tried to get my cat to do it, and he was just not cooperating at all, so I ended up scrapping that footage and trying my dog instead, and I had much better luck with her. So anyways, if you guys could like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel for further updates from me. I update pretty frequently. I would really appreciate it. Share with your friends. Let everybody know. That is it, guys, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye.